Hello children, welcome back to my new video. As you all know that we are doing the lesson Tools or Word Processor Editing a Document. Yes, now in the previous chapter we have covered undo and redo. Now in this chapter we'll do change case. Now children, I'm going to tell you what is change case. Change case, in this we can change the letters, like suppose if we want to change the capital letter into small letter and small letter into capital letter, so we can change it through change case. Now I'll do it practically and then it will be easier for you to understand. There are different options in change case. I'm going to tell you sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. These are all the options present in change case. Now first I'm going to explain sentence case. If we'll select the sentence case, so the first letter will be in the capital letter. Okay, now I'm going to show you practically. See, I have typed this line, how are you? Okay, now here this is the change case option. I'm going to zoom my screen. Now I'm going to show you. See, can you see children? This is the change case option. Now here can you see sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each case and toggle case. These all are the cases written here. And now just now I'm going to tell you the sentence case. So what we have to do first we will select this text. I'll select my text. Now I'll go here and then I will click sentence case. Okay, can you see children? Can you see the changes? Now the first letter is in capital letter and rest of the letters are in small letters. Yes, I think sentence case is clear. Now I'll go back to my presentation. Now second is lowercase. In lowercase, all the letters will become in small letters. Now I'm going to show you. Okay. Now see children. Now I'll zoom my screen. Now see. When I'll select my text and then again I'll go here and I will select this lowercase. Okay, when I'll click this lowercase, just see the changes. Okay, now can you see the changes children? Every letter is in small letter. Yes, this is lowercase. I hope lowercase is also clear. Now comes uppercase. In uppercase, what we can do, it changes all the characters of the selected text. Whatever text we select, it changes in capital letters. Every letter comes in capital letter. Okay, now I'm going to show you practically. See, what I'll do, I'll zoom my screen and I'll select my text and again I'll go here. Okay, and can you see here uppercase? Okay, I'm going to click this. Now you can see the changes children. Can you see the changes? Yes. Now every letter comes in capital letter. Yes, isn't it? I hope this much is clear. Yes children. Now next is capitalize each word. It changes the first character of each word of the selected text. It changes into uppercase. Okay, when we select the text, the first letter of each text comes in capital letter. Okay, now I am going to show you. See, now I'm going to select this text and then again you have to go here. This is change case and when you will click here, capitalize each word is written here. When you will click, you can see the changes. Now see children, can you see the changes? First letter of each word comes in capital letter. Can you see? I hope this much is clear. Now last one, toggle case. Now next is toggle case. In this, what happens? When we select the text, it just reverses the case. Okay, Like suppose it converts the small letter to capital letter and capital letter to small letter. Okay, now I'm going to show you how. Now see, in this, first letter is capital letter and rest other are in small letter. Okay. Now see, when I'll go here, it will just reverse. Toggle case. Can you see, children? It reverses the alphabet. It just reverses. Yes? I hope now this much is clear, children. Yes? That's all for today, children. Stay home and stay safe.